Hello everyone. You can see on this page we have a very good heading, or you can see the headline of your website, and the words in the center keeps on changing. I think it looks very beautiful and it's very attractive when someone will land on your website. Now we have to see that how to add these fancy text when we are working in the Elementor. Before that, try to understand the structure of this headline. So there are three components of this headline. The first one is prefix, second one is the fancy text, and the third one is the suffix. So we have to change these three things, or we have to edit these three things when we will work in one plugin. So these things are not available in the basic plugin of Elementor. So for this purpose, you have to add this plugin, essential add-ons for Elementor. So as I have already added on, let us start working directly on creating the fancy headline. So just create a new page, just to understand it from scratch. Add any one section to this one from Elementor. Drag and drop the fancy text. It is available under essential add-ons. Drag and drop it here. So the moment you will drag and drop it, on the left hand side settings will appear for fancy text. First let us change our pre-text. Pre-text in our website, it was V. You can see here it is V. Then change the suffix as well, that is the last item. Change it to the space. Okay, and you can see it in the live preview as well. The changes are there. Now we have to add the middle one, that is called the fancy text, or in Elementor language it is called string. So we already have the option of adding 3 strings to this. You can add more items as well. Let us click the first one, change the name as per your requirement. Like I will add imagine. Click the second one, add on. Third one, reimagine. If you want to add more item, and you can add few more keywords here. Okay, so this was just how to add the string, suffix and prefix to our headline. Now we have to make it a little bit bold, and we have to just modify this one. For this purpose, go to style now. What color you want, color of pre-text, what color you want. Let's say I want the black text. Then the typography. Typography is nothing, it is if you want to increase the size of the space. You can see here. Then it is a fancy text style. Now here we will work on here. Click on this one, change the color that you want. Let us make it any different color. Suppose the blue color. Typography, change the style of this one. Try to keep the same font. Then settings for suffix text setting. Here again we have to change the color, make it black, and the typography settings. Space to this one color, the same font size. and publish it. So you can beautify it by going to the more settings. You can change the color setting, make it bold, make it italics, or you can change the different colors. So many settings are there under the style. So I hope you understood that how to add the fancy text